Thank you.
Guys, this is the big hand roll. We're gonna try this. Hey guys! Welcome back to Mama Kwata's channel. For today's video is a very special video for us all because it's my youngest son Earl's graduation! Yay! Yes guys, me and my family are so happy because he's already done with his program and course after 4 years. So, alam ko naman lahat ng mga parents dyan, mga mamshi, mga papshi, mga tatayshi, lolo-lola, ang lahat sa family, buong family na naghangad talaga na makatapos ang mga anak natin na sa pag-aaral nila at saka with after all those sacrifices and efforts sa studies and pag-aaral, ayan. So, talagang successful ang achievement para sa mga anak. Kaya happy na rin tayo and then we are so proud of them, right? So, ngayon, since na ang favorite ni Earl, ang sushi, so, magpunta kami sa sushi restaurant today. So, kaya samahan nyo kami guys sa Let's Try Sushi. Okay, are you excited? Let's go! Yes! A dream come true. Samahan nyo kami guys. We will try sushi restaurant here in Canada. Okay, let's go! Tara na! Tara na! Sushi restaurant! Okay guys, punta na kami sa sushi restaurant as requested by our graduate. Congratulations, Loy! Congrats! Congrats! Guys, kung maalala ninyo, ito yung ginawa natin na fashion mask. Look at, so pretty. So, ayan. Ito na yung fresh graduate natin na si Earl. Congratulations, Earl! So, we're gonna celebrate today the big day, a dream come true. Saan, Loy? Saan gusto mo, Loy?
Sushi.
Sushi restaurant! His favorite. So, ayan. We will try sushi restaurant this time. Okay, guys. Samahan nyo kami, guys. Let's go! Let's go! Dito na kami, guys, sa sushi restaurant. Ayan. We're here now, guys. Hi, Lloyd. Congratulations. Yeah. Hi, Pa. Hello. Hello. Hi, Earl. Congratulations, Earl. Congrats. Guys, this is an eat all you can sushi. So I'm saying guys, ito na ang celebration namin sa graduation ni Earl. A dream come true. Amen.
Thank you. Ito nga na ninyo.
Korean. Buta yung $2.
Sene, the Moro Sene, and the Ilong Kanoro.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Antik si Mama.
Kanyala ko mukha.
Hutdan na ka ma. Na. Thank you. Ini lihat. Berapa jam kamu? Talakbang. Paborito na talakbang.
Mana nih logo?
Kamu na pa. Atau ibalik mo ba wala na sa space? Ano ang si asa ko? Ini mo dapat.
Jadi, rumah ayo.
Maigo.
Guys, this is the big hand roll. We're gonna try that. Want to try pa? Yes guys, kararating lang namin galing nag-sushi. So, ay ang sarap. Kaya first time ko din kumain ng big roll sushi. So, ang sarap din. Kaya for now, mag-throwback muna tayo. Okay? So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga graduation pictures nila Yani at saka Josh. And of course, kay Earl. Okay, so to start with, ayan, ito yung graduation picture ni Yani. Yani graduated last February 18, 2015. Ayan. So, ang pogi, no? So, So, ayan. So, next is Josh graduation picture. Ayan, Josh graduated last November 12, 2016. So, ayan. And the last but not the least, since na wala silang graduation picture, kaya ito lang yung available na picture na nakita ko during sa high school graduation nila Earl. And then, also there's no, wala sila ngayong convocation ceremony sa school. And then, kaya, nag-email na lang ang school and then they declared Earl as official graduate for 2020. So, ito. Ayan, tanan! Ito yung bebe ko. Ito yung bebe. Bebe Earl. My bunso. Ayan. So, yes guys, I'm so proud of my children. So, it's a dream come true for me and my family talaga after 11 years na nag-graduate kami dito sa Canada. So, ayan. So, to God be all the glory, the victory, and the blessings na talagang si Lord lang talaga ang source of everything. At saka, ito din yung pinaka main reason sa amin na nag-migrate dito sa Canada para to give them a better life and career. Kaya, so, ano naman talagang hangad nating lahat na magandang buhay at saka career ang mga anak. So I just encourage all the mamshi, mga papshi, mga tatayshi, lola, lolo, and the buong family to always pray for our children. Okay? Para shield naman sila sa ating prayers, tama, protected sila everyday. Okay, guys, that's all for this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Quatek's channel. Bye for now. I love you guys. Bye. God bless you all. Bye.